Okay, so we are moving on to styling. So if you completed Quick Start 2 and you are happy that you did a good job of it, you can carry on with that. If you want to make a fresh start, then if you follow the link in this video, you will find this MogHub website Quick Start 3 zip file. Just download that and here it is, unzip it, take that whole MogHub website and replace the one that you were working on. In fact, I would delete the one you were working on and just put this one in the same place. And then if you just close Dreamweaver and open it up again, that's the easiest way to connect up to the recently downloaded one. Okay, and then I'm just going to double click on the index page, and I think there were one or two things that I picked up that needed to be fixed here. So we have an empty paragraph line here. So on line 26, just remove that p tag, the beginning and end p tag, we don't need it. And then I just wanted to make sure that we've got the alt text for each page. So index, bookings, gallery. No, I don't have it for gallery, so alt text Mog Hub logo. Okay, and then membership, yes, we've got it, and volunteer, yes, we've got it. Okay, so file, save all, and let's switch back to index. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new CSS style sheet and connect it up to all the pages. Now you will have learned already that CSS can be inserted into websites in 3 different ways: an external style sheet, embedded in a particular page using the HTML style tag, or inline to style a particular HTML element using the attribute style equals. Now there's not really a great argument for using the latter two, in other words the inline or embedded, unless you are doing something like an emailer. 99.9% of the time an external style sheet is going to be the best way to go. So that's what we're going to deal with here. So we're on our home page, index, and what I want you to do is go to the CSS designer, and you can close up the DOM panel just by double clicking on the heading, and here you'll see that you have sources. Now we don't already have a CSS file, so we're going to click on the plus and say create a new CSS file, and we're going to browse to that website, and sometimes you can create a folder called CSS assets. In this case it's such a simple website that I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put the CSS file directly in the root folder. So up here I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it styles.css and say save. I'm going to say link and then OK, and you'll see that it adds a link line under the title in the head section of the website, and it's link href styles.css, and then there's some other stuff in there. So I'm going to save that, and then what I want to do, and also if you look here now, the index page has 2 options. It has source code and CSS, so you can switch between the 2 for that page. So just so that I can see that we actually are connecting up to the style sheet, what I'm going to do is go down here to selectors, and I'm just going to type body, enter, and properties, selectors plus body. So I just want to make a selector for the body tag, so that's like literally the whole page. And then for properties here, I'm going to go to, you see these different categories, so you've got layout, text, borders, background, and so on. I'm going to go to background, and I'm just going to change the background color to something crazy. Okay, so yes, I can actually see that we are connecting up from our style sheet to the web page. I'm just going to save all, and now I'm going to connect up all the other pages, and I'll know that they're connected up because their background will go pink. So I'm going to switch to bookings, and this time under sources we do have a style sheet already created, so plus attach existing CSS, browse, go and find that CSS style sheet, open, link is on, and OK. So that's all good. Gallery, same thing, attach, browse, CSS, OK. Membership, attach, browse, style sheet, and finally volunteer. I think I chose the wrong option there. Attach. Okay, so now we've got all our pages connected up to the same style sheet. So if I save all, and I just go down here to selectors, and I just choose that body one, and I say show set, it's showing me that I've changed the background. So if I change the background here, you'll see that all the pages change. And that's the whole point of having an external style sheet, is that you can control everything on your page in terms of styling from one place. Alright, so this obviously isn't the look that I'm going for, so I'm going to delete that. And now we are good to go. So save all, and now we can move on to the actual styling part, which will be Quick Start 4. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.